Hey guys, this is Jason Matthew here and welcome to the How to Moodle series of videos. And today we're going to be looking at enrolling students in groups. Now in this video, we're going to be looking at a specific situation. And in this scenario, it's where you have created groups and some students have self-enrolled in the groups, but you have a situation where some students were manually enrolled, whether it's by you or the chair or someone, and they were not placed in groups. Now the problem with that is that students who are not placed in groups where group mode is activated, they will not have access to the different activities such as the assignments and the forums. So it is very important that once you're using groups in a course, that all the students are enrolled in one group or another. So first of all, we need to go and look at your course, make sure if you are using group mode, that is, that all the students are enrolled in groups. So we're going to be using the panel that's on the left hand side. Now, if you're not seeing your panel here, it could mean that it's not made visible. Now, how you do that is that you can toggle between the hamburger menu here. So if you click this, in my case, it disappears. If I want to bring it back, I click it again. So use the hamburger menu to hide or show this left panel here. And you want, so this is navigation here, but you want to go to administration. All right, you go in under course administration, you click users, and you're going to be looking at enrolled users. Now you see here that there are groups, so that means that we are using groups in this course. So this will only apply to those of you who are using groups in your courses. So I look at enrolled users. So these are the different users in my course. I am the teacher, so the teacher is not enrolled in a group. The teacher will have access to all the groups. So we see here that my student Anthony Bourdain is in group 1, Aretha Franklin is in group 2, Whitney Houston is in group 1. But we see that there are other students here who, if you look, they are not assigned a group. And as I said, if you have the group mode activated and students are not in a group, as is in the case with Michael Jackson and Stanley and the Mighty Shadow, they will not have access to the forums and the assignments. So we need to put them in groups. So you click the group icon, and then it will give you the different groups that you have formed in the course. In this case, I kept it simple, group 1, group 2. And then you can decide which group you're going to assign that student to. Click Save Changes. And now if we scroll down, we see that our student Michael Jackson now is in group 2. And you repeat the process for those students who are not enrolled in a group. So short and sweet, I hope you learned something. My name is Jason Matthew. I'm the coordinator of the IDDU. Please send me an email if you have any further questions. Take care, guys. Bye.